Imagine a place where there are big cats laying in trees, millions of insects, and the tallest trees in the world. This is a rainforest. Now imagine all that beauty gone. Hi, my name is Kenzie, and I think we need to save the rainforest and quick. First, rainforest covers about 30% of the Earth's land and holds 70% of the world's plants and animals. If we cut down the rainforest, then all the animals and insects will probably lose their homes and probably die and go extinct. That sounds like a dying world. Second, loggers are forgetting that tribes live in the rainforest. The Yanomami is the largest tribe in the Amazon rainforest. The Yanomami tribe is endangered because mining and ranching. Last more than 2,000 of 3,000 plants identified with cancer-fighting properties grow only in rainforests. If we destroy the plants in the rainforest, then we would not get the medicine for sick people like people with cancer. We need to save the rainforest, and quick. Here are some things you can do. First, donate cell phones to Rainforest Connection. They make devices and put them up in trees to listen to illegal logging. Our class has collected over 20 so far. 2. Write a letter to a group or a company that is working to protect the rainforest. You can have a birthday party where instead of gifts, you ask everybody to donate to the charity you pick out. 3. Reduce how much gas you use. Turn your thermostat down and wear a sweater. You will help save the rainforest. Thanks for listening. Help me save the rainforest.